Now we are going to see some examples of saturated hydrocarbons. That is how these saturated hydrocarbons are named according to IUPAC nomenclature system. In which first example. Now here there are 3 carbon atoms and at 2 number carbon atom there is branching. Therefore we give numbering from the end which is nearer to the branching. 1, 2, 3. Parent alkane is propane. Now write first parent alkane, propane. But at 2 position there is methyl group, therefore it becomes 2-methyl propane. Now second example. Now here there are total 5 carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now first select the longest chain of carbon atom. 1, 2 and 3. Parent alkane is propane. Now at 2 position there are 2 methyl group. Therefore it becomes 2 dimethyl. That is, we repeated this number. At 2 position there are 2 methyl group. Therefore we write here 2. Then 2 methyl group. Therefore we write dimethyl. 2,2-dimethyl propane. Now third number. Now here CH3, CH, C2H5, CH2, CH3. Now look here. If we give numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, then here there are 4 carbon atom. But if we extend this C2H5 like this, that is first extend this C2H5, that is C2H5 means there are 2 carbon atoms, CH2, CH3. It becomes C2H5, C2H5, then CH2 and CH3. Now look here, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon atoms in a longest chain. Now give numbering from the end which is nearer to the branching. Now both ends are at equidistance, that is 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There are 5 carbon atoms in a straight chain. Therefore parent alkane is pentane. And at 3 position there is 1 methyl group. Therefore it becomes 3-methyl pentane. Now next example. This one. Now here this carbon atom is bonded to 4 ethyl group. Now first we write the extension of this ethyl group, that is CH3CH2. C. This carbon atom is this. This C2H5 is CH3CH2. Now this becomes CH3, CH2, CH3. Here also CH2, CH3. And here also for this CH2, CH3. Now give the numbering. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbon atoms are present in a straight chain. From this also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is both chain possesses 5 carbon atom as the longest chain. Now give the numbering from the any end because this branching is present at equidistance. Therefore 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now parent alkane become pentane. And at 3 position there are 2 ethyl group. That is, this is one and this is second. Therefore name of this parent alkane is pentane and name of this compound is 3,3-dimethyl. At 3 position there are 2 ethyl group. Therefore it is 3,3-diethyl pentane. Now next example, 5 number. Now first we extend this C2H5 group. It becomes CH3, CH, CH2, CH3, then CH, CH2, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. Now we are going to number the or select the chain. Now we are going to select the chain, longest chain. Now look here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6 carbon atom chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 7 carbon atom chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6 carbon atom chain. That is longest chain is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. That is longest chain is of 7 carbon atom. Therefore, parent alkane is heptane. That is, this chain is the longest chain. Now, we are going to give numbering from the end which is nearer to the branching. Now look here, 1, 2, 3. At 3 position there is branching of CH3 group. Now look here, 1, 2, 3, 4. At 4 position there is ethyl group. But this branching is nearer, therefore numbering is given from this end, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now here there are branching at 4 position and at 3 position. At 4 position there is branching of ethyl group, and at 3 position there is branching of methyl group. Alphabetically E come first, therefore we write the first name of 4 ethyl, then 3 methyl, heptane. That is, name of this compound becomes 4 ethyl, 3 methyl, heptane. Now we are going to see the examples of unsaturated hydrocarbons. That is, IUPAC names for unsaturated hydrocarbons by using the rules we have studied already. Now here first we are going to see examples of alkenes. Now look here, this CH3, CH2, CH double bond, CH2. Now there are 4 carbon atoms. Now first give numbering from the end which is nearer to the double bond. 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore here parent alkane is butane, but there is double bond, therefore it becomes but 1. At one position there is double bond, therefore it becomes but 1 ene. Now this is second example. Now there are 3 carbon atoms and this end is nearer to the double bond, therefore it becomes prop 1 ene. ene stands for double bond. Now this example. Now here there are 2 double bonds. Give numbering from the end which is nearer to the double bond, that is this end, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 carbon atom, therefore it becomes penta. At one position there is a double bond, and at 3 position there is double bond, and there are 2 double bond, therefore it becomes diene, that is penta 1,3 diene. Now this. Now here there is double bond. Now we have to select the longest chain of carbon atom. Now look here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This carbon atom chain is the longest chain. Now give the numbering from the end which is nearer to the double bond. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Therefore parent alkane is hexane. There is double bond, therefore it is hexene. At 2 position there is double bond, therefore it is hex 2 ene. But at 3 and 4 position there are 2 methyl group. Therefore name of this compound is 3,4 dimethyl hex 2 ene. This is the IUPAC name of this compound. Now we are going to see nomenclature of alkynes, that is compounds or hydrocarbons containing carbon-carbon triple bond. Now look here. Here there are 3 carbon atoms and here there is triple bond. Now in case of 3 carbon atom, parent alkene is propane, but there is triple bond and this triple bond is present at number 1 carbon atom, therefore it becomes prop 1 yne. Then this example. Now here we are going to give numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 carbon atoms, therefore it is butane. Position of triple bond is 2, therefore it becomes but 2 yne. Now look here. Here there are 2 triple bonds. Now first give numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 carbon atom, therefore parent alkene is butane, but at it becomes buta at 1 and 3 position there is triple bond, therefore it becomes buta 1,3 di-YNE. Now this example, now look here, there are double bond and triple bond. Now we are going to give numbering from the end which is nearer to the multiple bond. Now here it is double bond is present at 2 position, and in this case triple bond is present at 1 position. Therefore we give numbering from the end which is nearer to the multiple bond 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now parent alkene is hexane. Now it becomes hex. Now first we are going to give name of double bond, that is hex 4 En, then 1 YNE. Now in this example, here there are double bond and triple bond, but both are at same position. Now we give numbering from the end which is nearer to the double bond 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now there are 6 carbon atom, therefore it becomes hexane. Now at 1 position there is En, and at 5 position there is YNE. In this way the names for unsaturated hydrocarbons are given.